Tired of the same old breakfast scramble? The slow cooker offers a novel approach to a classic morning meal. Imagine waking up to a fluffy, flavorful omelet ready to enjoy. No standing over a hot stove, no flipping required. The slow cooker does the work, leaving you free to savor a leisurely start to your day. This method is perfect for beginners as it eliminates the need for precise stovetop cooking. The slow cooker's gentle heat ensures even cooking and a wonderfully tender texture, so ditch the frying pan and embrace the ease of slow cooker omelets. Before embarking on this culinary adventure, gather the necessary ingredients. For a basic 2-serving omelet, you will need 6 large eggs, preferably free-range for richer flavor, 3 tablespoons of milk, any type will do, salt and black pepper to taste, a pinch of each is a good starting point, and 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter for greasing the slow cooker. These simple ingredients form the foundation of your omelet. Feel free to adjust the seasonings to your liking. Once you have these staples, you are ready to begin crafting your breakfast masterpiece. Now, let's delve into the cooking process. Making a fluffy omelet in a slow cooker is a game of patience, but the results are worth the wait. The slow and steady cooking method ensures that every bite is tender and delicious. Start by generously greasing the inside of your slow cooker with the butter. This step is crucial as it prevents the omelet from sticking to the sides and makes the cleanup process much easier. Ensure that every inch of the interior is coated with a thin layer of butter. This not only helps in easy removal, but also adds a rich flavor to the omelet. In a separate bowl, whisk together the eggs, milk, salt, and pepper. The milk adds a creamy texture, while the salt and pepper enhance the flavor. Whisk until the mixture is light, frothy, and evenly combined. This step is essential as it incorporates air into the eggs, making the omelet fluffy. The more air you incorporate, the fluffier your omelet will be. Take your time with this step to ensure the best results. Pour the egg mixture into the prepared slow cooker. Make sure the mixture is evenly distributed to ensure even cooking. Cover and cook on low heat for approximately 2 to 3 hours or until the omelet is set and cooked through. Cooking on low heat ensures that the omelet cooks evenly without burning. The cooking time may vary depending on your slow cooker's wattage, so it is essential to check for doneness. A perfectly cooked omelet will be firm to the touch and slightly golden on the edges. Enjoy your fluffy, slow-cooked omelet. Achieving that coveted fluffiness requires a few simple tricks. The journey to a cloud-like omelet begins with understanding the basics of temperature control and patience. Firstly, the temperature is key. Setting your slow cooker to the right temperature ensures that the omelet cooks evenly and retains its moisture. Low and slow cooking is crucial for a tender, airy omelet. This method allows the eggs to cook gently, preventing them from becoming tough or rubbery. High heat will result in a dense, rubbery texture. When the heat is too high, the proteins in the eggs coagulate too quickly, leading to an unpleasant, chewy consistency. Secondly, resist the urge to lift the lid during cooking. It might be tempting to check on your omelet, but patience is key. Every time you open the slow cooker, heat escapes, disrupting the cooking process and potentially affecting the omelet's rise. Consistent heat is essential for achieving that perfect fluffiness. Lastly, allow the omelet to rest for a few minutes after cooking. This resting period is crucial as it lets the omelet settle and the steam to redistribute. This allows the steam to redistribute, ensuring a moist and evenly cooked final product. The resting time also helps in enhancing the flavors, making each bite a delight. With these tips in mind, you are well on your way to omelet perfection. Remember, the secret lies in the details, the right temperature, patience, and allowing the omelet to rest. Enjoy your culinary creation. The beauty of this recipe lies in its versatility. Once you have mastered the basic method, the flavor combinations are endless. For a savory twist, consider adding diced ham and cheese to the egg mixture before cooking. For a vegetarian option, sautéed mushrooms, onions, and spinach make a delightful addition. Feel free to experiment with different cheeses, herbs, and vegetables to create your own signature omelet. Get creative and let your taste buds guide you. The slow cooker provides a blank canvas for your culinary imagination, allowing you to personalize your breakfast experience. In conclusion, the slow cooker offers a revolutionary approach to omelet making. Gone are the days of standing over a hot stove, flipping and folding, hoping for the perfect consistency. With the slow cooker, you simply add your ingredients, set the timer, and walk away. It's that easy. Its simplicity and convenience make it an ideal choice for busy mornings or novice cooks. Imagine waking up, preparing your ingredients in just a few minutes, and letting the slow cooker do the rest while you get ready for the day. No more rushing or skipping breakfast. With minimal effort, you can enjoy a restaurant-quality omelet in the comfort of your own home. The slow cooker ensures even cooking, resulting in a fluffy, perfectly cooked omelet every time. It's like having a personal chef in your kitchen. So why not ditch the frying pan and embrace the ease of the slow cooker? Not only does it save you time, but it also reduces the mess and hassle of traditional omelet making. Plus, you can make multiple servings at once, perfect for family breakfasts or brunch with friends. With a few simple ingredients and a little patience, you can create fluffy, flavorful omelets that will elevate your breakfast game. Whether you prefer classic cheese and ham or adventurous combinations like spinach and feta, the slow cooker can handle it all. Experiment with different flavor combinations and enjoy the endless possibilities of slow cooker omelets. From savory to sweet, the options are limitless. Try adding herbs, spices, or even a touch of cream for a richer texture.